Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be showing you how you can upgrade the memory and storage in HP laptops. I'll be using this HP laptop from Best Buy to demonstrate. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Before we start anything though, shut down your computer and remove the battery. Let's get started. First you'll need a screwdriver that is small enough to remove the screws. I'll be using this screwdriver for this tutorial. First, remove all of the screws on the back. The amount of screws that you will have on the back of your laptop may depend by model, but this model has 8 visible screws with 2 hidden underneath the battery and 2 screws hidden underneath the rubber feet. Make sure you set all of your screws to the side. Depending on your model, you may have to lightly tap the laptop in order for the screws to fall out. Slide out the DVD drive if you have one in your laptop. Next, press one of these 4 tabs here down so that you can slide a screwdriver underneath and the cover can be removed. Now pry off the back cover of your laptop. Set the cover to the side. First, to remove the memory, press the 2 metal hooks on the sides of the memory stick to release them. Next, to remove the hard drive, unscrew the hard drive bracket. When you've removed the hard drive bracket, slowly remove the hard drive from its connector. Be very careful with the connector. Then unscrew the hard drive from the back bracket. Next, screw the hard drive back into the bracket. Then slide the hard drive back into the connector and screw the brackets into the laptop. Reinsert your memory by inserting the memory sticks into their slots and pressing down until you hear a click. Now put your cover back on and screw in all of the screws except these two. Slide your DVD drive back in and screw in your screws. You have officially finished. If this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.